in week 21 and we are going to travel around Southeast Asia. We'll basically do seafoods, but today, since it's Monday, we'll do a vegetarian dish, a stir fry. But this is a different sort of a stir fry. It doesn't have any sauce, so to speak. So it'll be a dry type of a stir fry. We'll eat that with rice. We cooked a little bit of rice with green peas and we'll serve it with that. Very simple. So let's start cooking. Here we have cauliflower, florets. We have some broccoli, carrots, green beans, shiitake mushrooms, baby corn, zucchini, and some red bell peppers. So those are all the vegetables. Blanch some of these. So the first one is the cauliflower. So in the meantime, I have a pan heating here. You can do it in a wok, but here we have a pan. This needs to get really hot. The cauliflowers are done, so we'll take it out. We'll just keep it in this bowl till we are ready to fry. And I can see that my pan is heated up. And then I'll put the broccoli in. So the pan is hot. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Added the mushroom. So we're not going to put any salt at this point. Let it cook. So moving on to the broccoli. So the broccoli is done. So again, all the vegetables have been cut into bite-sized pieces. Firstly, it cooks very fast. And secondly, it's easier to eat. This has come back up to a boil. We'll add the carrots and to this, now that the mushrooms are nearly done, we'll add the baby corn. And let it saute for a little bit. Carrots are done. We're going to put the green beans in now. A little bit of oil. And we'll add the garlic and the ginger. Mix it together. We'll add the zucchini. The bell peppers. And a little bit of crushed red peppers. Again, this is to your taste. Let's look at the beans. The beans are done. We'll add the blanched vegetables. So this is the cauliflower, the broccoli, the carrots and the beans, and now for the flavoring, we have a little bit of wine and some fish sauce. And that's about it. We'll not add anything else. We'll just taste to make sure that we have enough salt and a little bit of pepper. We'll add a little bit of salt. The stir-fried vegetables are done. To serve it, we'll have some rice and then we'll put some vegetables on the side. Make sure you get all of the different types of vegetables. Stir-fried vegetables, Southeast Asian style. There's no particular country as such. They all have different types of stir-fry. This is a very simple, easy to make and tasty stir-fry. I've made a couple of different variations of stir-fry or green curry vegetables, and so this is just a different time. Very few ingredients, focuses on the vegetable itself. So hopefully you liked it. Bon appetit. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.